Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Brooke Blackburn. I'm a guitar player, singer, songwriter from Toronto. I'd like to say Happy Emancipation Day, everybody. Happy Emancipation Day, Canada. And thank you to the Emancipation Day Committee of Windsor for having me talk to you and introduce two of my songs today. One song I wrote with my brother Dwayne, a song called Talk to Me, talks about a heritage from Kentucky through the Underground Railroad up to Owen Sound. The other song is called Friends. It's a song I wrote for a friend of mine called Connie Maynard, who passed away, a very good friend of mine that I played with for a while, taught me a lot about the blues and jazz and putting them together. And so I wrote a song for him called Friends. And unfortunately, when friends of mine do pass, I kind of sing that song in celebration of their life. So thank you again. Happy Emancipation Day, everybody. Hope you dig these couple tracks, and peace and love. Thank you very much.
Now we're going to make it, let's see. Now I talked about my family a little bit, about how we came up through the Underground Road from Kentucky, and I talked about the connection in Montserrat. So I'll do this song called Talk to Me. It's a song I wrote with my brother Dwayne. I was playing a gig in Mississauga, and I came and said, Dwayne, man, check these chords out. You know, I forget who was on bass. So I did this C minor. So I started with this, and like I say, I play with my brothers. So I started going like this. I want you to talk to me. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. I said 1868, the Blackburn family had to celebrate, busting down the chains of slavery, feeling free like a man should be. Hooked up with the underground, expect the freedom that we have found. So brother, don't abuse the freedom they have and the freedom to choose. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Let me tell you now. I said, brother, well, alright. Are you my guiding light? Show me a better way for all to live another day. Just be free, just be strong. Let our power lead you on to the promised land. I'll tell you one more time. I said 1848, Blackburn family had to celebrate, busting down the chains of slavery, feeling free like a man should be. Hooked up with the underground, respect the freedom that we have found. So brother, don't abuse the freedom to have and the freedom to choose. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Brother, well, alright. Are you my guiding light? Show me a better way for all to live another day. Just be free, just be strong. Let our power lead you on to the promised land. Let me tell you one more time. I said 1848, the Blackburn family had to celebrate, busting down the chains of slavery, feeling free like a man should be. Hooked up with the underground, respect the freedom that we have found. So brother, don't abuse the freedom to have and the freedom to choose. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Oh, I said, talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me like I talk to your brother. Talk to me. Yeah. So that tells a little bit about the history. Do you remember the time you sat and had wine? Philosophy we both share. We reminisce the past. You made the music last. Whoa, a present from a friend. I said I will never forget the times we had the music. Oh, my friend, playing jazz in a smoky bar. Your piano, my guitar, felt the magic in the air. From your smile I knew, oh, that the music was true. Didn't want the night to end. I said I will never forget the times we had the music. Oh, my friend, now I sit down and play, thinking of the time we had, sharing my music and praise. My memories will never ever fade. I said I will never forget the time we had the music. Oh, my friend, playing jazz in a smoky bar. Your piano, my guitar, felt the magic in the air. From your smile I knew, oh, that the music was true. Didn't want the night to end. I said I will never forget the time we had the music. Oh, my friend, now I sit down and play, thinking of the time we had, sharing my music and praise. My memories will never ever fade. I said I will never forget the time we had the music. Oh, the time we had the music. The time we had the music. Oh, my friend. Oh, my friend.